Hi little dancer, today I'm drawing Bluey dancing with Uncle Rad so bright, their paws in rhythm, their smiles alight. As each line appears and sways in tune, I'll tell a story beneath the moon. But before the music jingles and glad, like this video and subscribe my channel, so more Bluey tales can dance with Rad. Do you love to twirl when you hear a happy song? The yard was open, wide and clear, Uncle Rad arrived with a cheerful cheer. Bluey spotted him, eyes so wide, Uncle Rad. Will you dance by my side? Rad grinned big, why not, dear pup? Let's turn the music and turn it up. A gentle beat began to play, their paws tapped quick without delay. Bluey twirled in a circle round, her feet pattered a tapping sound. Uncle Rad clapped with a steady beat, Bluey giggled, light on her feet. Try this move. Uncle Rad called, he leapt so high, his shadow tall. Bluey copied, with joyful might, laughing loudly at the silly sight. If their dance brings joy to your day, like this video and subscribe my channel, so Bluey's fun can come your way. They spun like tops, they jumped like frogs, they shuffled quick across the logs. Bluey stomped with a playful roar, Uncle Rad slid across the floor. Now follow me, hop side to side, Bluey bounced with endless pride. Bingo peeked from behind the tree, can I join the dance with glee? Of course, said Bluey, spinning near, Uncle Rad laughed, come right here. Together they swayed, three in a line, their laughter rising clear and fine. The music swelled, the rhythm strong, their bodies moved, the dance grew long. Bluey shouted, this feels so grand, dancing here, paw in hand. Rad winked down, you shine so true, dancing is brighter because of you. Soon they rested, hearts still fast, their joyful steps had flown so vast. Bluey leaned in, cheeks warm and red, Uncle Rad, best dance ever, she said. Rad smiled wide, his voice so deep, these are memories I'll always keep. Can you sway side to side in your seat, pretend the music is soft and sweet? Just like Bluey and Uncle Rad, moving gently, happy, glad. The sky grew calm, the stars so near, yet laughter lingered, soft to hear. Bluey hugged Rad, thanks today, for dancing with me in a special way. If this warm moment makes you glad, like this video and subscribe my channel, for more Bluey joy with Uncle Rad. So here the story takes its rest, with dancing hearts that felt their best. Close your eyes, let music flow, dream of places where dancers go. Bluey waves and Rad smiles bright, they'll dance again in your dreams tonight.